What's up, YouTube? Please let me know what you guys think about my market update and what I can cover, or what you guys are interested in me covering. But in the meantime, I'll try to give you a brief market update for Monday, March 1st, 2021. First off, most crude contracts in the commercial world are priced at a NYMEX average of the month of flow. Being that it's March 1, we just fully priced any barrels that flowed through the month of February. If those contracts said were priced at a NYMEX average trade days only, that price came out to $59.06 for February. And then because today's March 1, we are in the first day of trading the March average. So we will start to set that average over the next 31 days. Flat price right now is $60.43. So that's higher than the February average. If you look at the April front month contract, which is what's pricing right now, you're showing a net change on the day of down $1.06. Crude oil is a very complex market, so there's a lot of factors that are going into that. In general, commodities and crude oil have a inverse relationship to the dollar, and today we did see the dollar get stronger. Additionally, equities have been getting stronger as well. I think that is due to the news that the Johnson and Johnson single dose vaccine um, got passed, and so I think we're seeing stocks go up, as in equity stocks go up, and in the back to the crude oil market though. Some of the news that I believe traders will be looking at is it sounds like Germany is going to extend their lockdown through March, although the UK may be getting back to a little bit more activity in the middle of March. Next week, OPEC Plus is meeting. And so there will be a lot of volatility around their decision on whether they have cuts or whether they start to bring some crude oil barrels back into the market. As we said last week, don't try to predict the unpredictable, the Saudi oil minister said. Now, one other thing that traders will be looking to is Iran and Biden news. So I think that will affect crude oil market, particularly in the back half of the year. You know how the Biden administration handles their negotiations with Iran, and it may have an implication on sour crudes. Also, people will be looking to China's data and how their demand is performing. So obviously, like I said, the market, particularly crude oil, is a very complex market. We're going to have a lot of different factors that we're looking at. But overall, crude oil is $60.43. When you kind of think about the storms that rolled through 2 weeks ago in Texas, you got to think, okay, did it permanently harm production? Did it just have a temporary hiccup? And with that temporary hiccup in crude production, how's that going to affect reporting of data? How's that going to affect all the market participants? A lot of refiners were out, particularly in the Gulf Coast as well. So we'll be kind of keeping our eye on that, how these different operators and how these different market participants handle their business and their operations. So it will be interesting to see how this market prices and develops over the next couple of weeks. I think it's going to be pretty volatile. Talk soon.